Hi, everyone, this video provides methods to help you fix CHKDSK is not available for raw drives. Recover data from raw partition using MiniTool Power Data Recovery in advance. Launch the MiniTool Power Data Recovery software. Under Logical Drives, find the target raw drive and click on Scan. When the scan ends, go to the Type tab. Expand all file types and pictures. Tick the required files and click on Save. Choose a new location to store files and click on OK. When the recovery completes, close the window. To fix CHKDSK is not available for raw drives, you can perform a format. Here are two methods to help you format the drive to the normal state. Method 1. Via Disk Management. Right-click on Start and choose Disk Management. Right-click on the raw drive to choose Format. Type Volume Label. Choose File System and Allocation Unit Size. Check the Perform a Quick Format box. Click on OK. Method 2. Via MiniTool Partition Wizard. Launch the MiniTool Partition Wizard software. Select the raw drive and choose Format Partition. Set the partition label, file system, and cluster size. Click on OK. Click on Apply and Yes. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.